Today, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Calendar not showing birthdays anymore step by step so you can get those important birthday reminders and events back on your calendar. This is a really common issue, and in most cases, it's caused by a hidden calendar setting or an issue with the birthday information saved in Google Contacts. The good news is, it's usually very easy to fix. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and Google tips. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar on your computer. It's best to do this on a desktop or laptop because you'll have easier access to all of the calendar settings. Once Google Calendar loads, look over to the left side of the screen. This is where Google shows your calendar list, including your main calendar, shared calendars, holidays, and other special calendars. Under My Calendars, look for birthdays. This is the calendar that controls whether birthdays show up in Google Calendar. If you see it listed, check whether the box next to it is selected. If it is unchecked, that means the birthdays are hidden right now. All you need to do is click the checkbox to turn it back on. As soon as you enable it, birthdays should start appearing again in your calendar view. Depending on your current view, you may need to look at the day, week, or month layout to spot them more easily. If nothing changes right away, don't worry. There are still a couple of important things to check. Next, open Google Contacts. Since birthday events in Google Calendar usually come from your contact list, it's important to make sure the birthday is saved correctly there. Find the person whose birthday is missing and open their contact details. Look for the birthday field and confirm that the date is entered properly. If the birthday is missing, incorrect, or saved in the wrong format, Google Calendar may not display it the way you expect. Edit the contact, correct the birthday, and save the changes. If you have multiple birthdays missing, you may want to quickly review the most important contacts one by one to make sure their information is accurate. After that, go back to Google Calendar and refresh the page. Sometimes the calendar just needs a quick reload to pull in the latest changes from Google Contacts. Once the page refreshes, check again to see if the birthdays appear. If they still don't show up immediately, give it a minute and refresh one more time. In many cases, the issue is solved simply by turning the birthdays calendar back on and confirming the birthday is stored correctly in contacts. So to recap, the fix is open Google Calendar, find birthdays under My Calendars, make sure it's checked, confirm the birthday is saved correctly in Google Contacts, and then refresh Google Calendar. That usually brings everything back. I hope this helped you fix Google Calendar not showing birthdays anymore. If it did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more easy Google Workspace tutorials.